How to set timers on Discord. Let's get started. Want to add countdown timers in Discord for events, reminders, or meetings? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it. Launch your preferred browser and search for Hammer Time. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, you can customize your timer. Set the date, time, and time zone depending on where your event is. Choose the format you want: full countdown timer, just the time, just the date, or both date and time. Once you're happy with the timer, click Copy to Clipboard. Then go to your Discord server, paste it, and press Enter. You'll now see a clean auto-updating timer or timestamp in your message. It works across all the time zones, making it perfect for coordinating events. And that's it. That's how you set timers on Discord using Hammer Time. If you found out this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.